Today, we're unraveling the innovations of Ascento Guard, a next-generation security robot with capabilities that redefine safety standards. We'll also take a look at HeyGen 2, which creates lifelike AI avatars with stunning precision, and Ideogram AI, a groundbreaking technology that seamlessly blends expressive text into images. So, let's start with this magical robot called Ascento Guard. Security is a big deal. Whether you're protecting a factory, a data center, or a luxury property, keeping it safe is a top priority. But the old ways of doing security, like having human guards patrol all the time, can be challenging. People get tired and they can't see everything all the time. That's where Ascento Guard comes in. It's not your average security guard, it's a robot. But it is not just any robot. It's a smart, all-terrain and all-weather robot designed to make your security worries a thing of the past. It started as a project at ETH Zurich in 2018. The Ascento team worked hard to ensure this robot could do everything a human security guard could. So, what's so special about this robot? Well, let's break it down. First, Ascento Guard is no stranger to rugged terrain. Its unique wheel-leg design means it can go anywhere a person can, and it's just as comfortable on stairs as it is on flat ground. Unlike human guards who need rest, Ascento Guard is always on duty. It doesn't need sleep or breaks. It can patrol around the clock, keeping an eye on things 24/7. In addition, this robot's got some serious smarts. It's equipped with different cameras, including thermal and infrared, and can see in the dark, detecting things like floods or fires. It even has circular eyes that blink and rectangular hazard lights that give it a touch of personality. Ascento Guard moves at a walking pace so that it can cover a lot of ground. And that's not all. Managing Ascento Guard is a breeze. You can control it through a handy app, which lets you monitor its activities and receive alerts if it detects any security threats. If there's something fishy going on, Ascento Guard can communicate with human security guards through its app. The Ascento Guard is built to withstand all weather conditions, so you don't have to worry about it calling in sick due to bad weather. It is not fazed by rain or snow, making it the perfect choice for any job. This robot can patrol for more than 4 hours on a single charge and will even head back to its charging dock when it's time for a power nap. Finally, Ascento Guard is the jack of all trades when it comes to security. It can do everything from checking perimeters to ensuring doors are closed and even scanning for thermal anomalies. The robot's cameras keep a watchful eye on the property, recording what's happening and making sure everything is in order. One thing that sets Ascento Guard apart is its focus on large industrial areas. It's not just for malls or schools, it's for large properties that need patrolling regularly, like manufacturing plants, data centers, and luxury estates. With a robot doing the rounds, you can be sure that your property is in safe hands, or in this case, safe wheels. So, what's next for Ascento Guard? The team has big plans. They're looking at ways to make the robot even smarter by using AI to analyze the data it collects. That means it can identify patterns and help solve problems faster, like figuring out when and where incidents happen, or spotting cars that always park in the wrong spot. Here's some more exciting news. HeyGen 2. HeyGen has just unleashed its second version of AI-generated avatars. And trust me, it's a real game changer. In an exciting demo, the founder of HeyGen showcased a clone of himself created solely using AI. Now, let's dive into what makes this version seriously mind-blowing. First things first, the video quality is freaking amazing. It's clearer and more lifelike than ever before. When you watch these avatars in action, you'll be amazed at the level of detail and realism.
Hey Monica, have you heard about this new debate about whether artificial intelligence should have rights?
It's like conversing with a real person, not a computer-generated character. Remember the founder's unique accent?
Everybody was talking about videos eating the world.
Well, the newest version can clone it in just 2 minutes. That means your avatar can sound exactly like you, capturing your accent and all the nuances of your voice.
A significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the Bug.
But HeyGen 2 isn't just about one accent. It's about a world of accents. It has made significant strides in replicating various accents. Whether you want to sound British, Australian, Texan, or any other accent you can think of, HeyGen's new version has got you covered. Another of the standout features is its top-notch text-to-speech capabilities and how realistic they are. You simply type in your text and voila, your avatar brings it to life. This feature is a game changer for creating educational content, marketing materials, or just having fun with your own AI spokesperson. What's even cooler is that HeyGen 2 nails the lip-syncing game. Your avatar's lips move in perfect sync with the words they're speaking. This adds a layer of realism and engagement to your videos that's truly impressive. HeyGen lets you create videos in one language and then translate them into others seamlessly. This is a fantastic feature for content creators looking to reach a global audience. Your avatar can effortlessly speak the language of your viewers, breaking down language barriers. Imagine creating videos on the fly with no waiting for rendering. HeyGen makes it possible. This real-time generation feature is especially handy for creating videos for live events or for content that needs frequent updates. You have complete control over your avatars. Choose their appearance, including age, gender, race, hairstyle, clothing, and accessories. Make them look and feel exactly how you want them to. Here's the icing on the cake. HeyGen 2 offers a free plan with basic features. You can dip your toes into the world of AI avatars without spending a dime. Of course, they also offer paid plans with even more advanced features for those who want to take it to the next level. Up next is this interesting text-to-image AI tool known as Ideogram. When it comes to AI image generators, many have excelled at producing stunning visuals, but fell short when it came to handling text. Text is a fundamental element of design and communication, and its integration into images demands precision and finesse. That's where Ideogram AI steps into the spotlight. Ideogram AI is not just another player in the AI image generation game, it's a game changer in its own right. What sets Ideogram AI apart from the rest is its laser-focused specialization in text generation within images. It's a tool that allows you to create images with text elements that not only look realistic, but also beautiful and expressive. And here's the kicker. It's absolutely free to use. Ideogram AI is the brainchild of visionary minds who have left their mark on the AI landscape. The founders of Ideogram AI, Mohamed Nourouzi, William Chon, Jonathan Ho, and Chitwan Saharia are no newcomers to the world of artificial intelligence. They are former Google Brain researchers, and their contributions include co-authoring some of the most influential papers on image generation and natural language processing. Ideogram draws its strength from a solid foundation built on cutting-edge AI research. The core technology behind Ideogram includes denoising diffusion models and Imagen. Denoising diffusion models are generative models that possess the remarkable ability to craft realistic visuals and sounds from text or noise. Imagen, on the other hand, is a Google system designed to transform text into detailed images. By combining a pre-trained language model with a denoising diffusion model, Imagen can generate images that align seamlessly with the text's intended meaning and design by combining a pre-trained language model with a denoising diffusion model. Now, let's compare Ideogram to Midjourney. Each platform has its own strengths that cater to different needs. However, comparing Ideogram to Midjourney, one can't help but notice its unique strengths. Ideogram shines in generating text that makes sense and fits the context, a feat that many AI image generators struggle to achieve. Whether you're designing a brand logo or adding a catchy slogan to an image, Ideogram ensures that your text not only looks right, but also makes perfect sense. Midjourney, on the other hand, is known for its prowess in creating hyper-realistic images. If you're looking for visuals that are incredibly detailed and sharp visuals, Midjourney is an excellent choice. However, where it falls short is in text generation. The text it generates may not always align perfectly with the context of the image, which can be a drawback when text integration is a priority. For example, for this prompt, modern beer design for a beer called Dark Angel. Midjourney returned this image, while Ideogram returned this image. Now looking closely, even though both of them possess excellent quality, the Ideogram sample looks more realistic. Also, you would notice that the words in Midjourney's sample look more jumbled too. I hope you had a great time watching this video and gained some new knowledge. If you did, a thumbs up would be awesome, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest in AI. Thanks a ton for watching, and see you in the next one.